Today we're going to look at the jQuery CSS method or the jQuery CSS function. And what we're going to do is change this black background into a blue background, first by clicking on the window, then by clicking on the sun image. This is the template for the HTML we just saw before with the sun and the black background. And first up, we're going to look at our JavaScript section right here and talk about something known as console log. I'll just type it in, console.log, parentheses, semicolon. I'll put a message inside of my console log function, and it is a message which says working. Now, what console log is it's kind of like the alert box. If I do an alert underneath, and I can say the same thing, maybe with alert on the end. Let's have a look at what is the difference between the two. If we go back to the window and reload, first thing you'll see is the JavaScript runs when we reload the window, and it gives us this alert box. But if I right-click and inspect on the browser, it's going to bring up the Google Chrome Inspector, and I can click on this thing here called console. And you'll see here we have this thing called working. Now, that's what a console log is. A console log allows us to send messages to what's known as the browser or JavaScript console, which is here. Now, we're going to use console log a few times between now and the end of the course, where we'll just kind of see how it can be used for testing and helping to debug certain problems. You should know both console and alert when starting JavaScript, and you should know that both of them are used primarily for debugging or solving issues within code.